Okay, so this is it. This is the garbage sack that is holding a former addiction that has held me. Packed it up, put it in a bag, threw it away. Now we're really throwing it down the trash chute. Like for real, no excuses, no, maybe, no. Like this is gonna be gone for good. And I'll tell you what it is that I realized after we finish this. All right, there it goes. No, see? The devil is a lie, it's trying to hold on. Get out of there. And it's gone. All right, so here's why that's a big deal. I used to, wow, I gotta get used to saying that. I used to smoke weed to, whether it's anxiety, to chill out. A big part of it was actually, I just love the creative piece of it, of how it got me to just kind of take my high intensity, bring it down, and high strungness, I should say, bring it down. And it brought me to a different creative and thinking space. But guess what? I don't need to be in that space anymore, because I get to be in that space, being in the presence of God. And that is so much more fulfilling than any substance, especially one that even just grows out of the ground and people say is natural. I use that excuse for a long time, but as you just saw, literally in the moment, it's no longer. Even the enemy tried to hold on with my keys. We're done. We are so done.